This is the update video for the pickled eggs. They have been in the fridge for 5 days, I think. I'm not entirely 100% sure, but they are now pickled as much as they need to be for you to start eating them. I had 2 last night and they were delicious. Just a test. So we will cut into them and we'll see what they're like inside. Well, I already know, but this is the video to show you. They're firmed up, so they're not kind of soft on the outside anymore. So we'll screw fingers, cut through, as you can see. There we go. Put that there so you can see. Still nice and yolky inside, although the yolk's starting to firm up, so it's not runny. But they are absolutely delicious. Unfortunately, you can't, because the eggs have taken on some of the acidity of the vinegar, and the vinegar's become less acidic. You can't really use the vinegar's not really suitable to use again for pickling. So it's kind of a bit of, it's one of the rare times that I would throw something away. I'm not going to faff around reducing vinegar down to use it to build up the acidity in it. I'm not going to do that. So the vinegar will get thrown away when I've eaten the eggs, but certainly enough vinegar in there to pickle the eggs on a relatively short-term basis, a month or so. But they are delicious and not like harsh in the flavour, and quite a nice thing. They're a delicious thing to eat and have in the fridge if you like a savoury snack and you like eggs and you like pickled eggs. Just a nice thing to have in the fridge. There we go.